Okay, I decided I want a little snack. I'm going to give this bird's nest soup a try. This is golden nest soup, top quality, and supposedly this stuff is really expensive normally, so the date's still good on the package, and if I like it, maybe I'll go back and get more. This is like a Chinese delicacy. It is supposedly got lots of health benefits. It's supposedly really good for the skin, which I'm most excited about. I can always use beautiful skin. And then there's other health benefits too. And you're supposed to serve it cold. It's made from bird saliva, actually. The birds spit up these strings that they make up their nest with, and then they turn that into a soup. It's supposed to have a really delicate flavor, so I don't want it to get too warm. So let's test this out. It doesn't have really much of a scent. It's nice and cold. You're supposed to serve it cold. So this is what it looks like. We've got some strings, some like gelatinous strings in there. Interesting. I'm very interested. So let's take a bite. Ooh, yes, I like this. You know, the lady that sold it to me, she said she didn't like it, but she had it warm. I think it's better cold. I could see how this would be gross warm, but I think it's really delicious. It's sweet. There's a hint of like saltiness, maybe some umami in there. And what can I compare this to? Kind of like, it kind of like has the texture of boba tea. It's like sugar water boba tea, except for it's not as firm as boba tea. Yes, I really like this. I think I'll go back and buy all the rest they have. That is good. The texture is so interesting. Like, you know how boba tea, you get that round jelly texture, and you know, it's that tapioca pearl. Well, this, it's like maybe like it has like a texture of like flower petal jelly, I would say. It's got an interesting, like, it's not a round texture, it's more of a dimensional texture. And now that I mention that, it does have kind of a floral note, almost as if there's like jasmine tea in here. I love this. Yeah, I'm definitely tasting jasmine tea. I really think that this has lots of sugar, jasmine tea, like a hint of jasmine tea, and then the bird nest. I'm really surprised that I like it this much. I'm interested to see how it will benefit my skin if I eat like a whole bunch of it. It's supposed to be really good for children's health too. I ate it all. I thought that was delicious. If you go in thinking it will taste like I don't know, chicken noodle soup, it's not. It's gonna taste sweet and kind of like really sugary tea with this jello-y texturedness in it. I thought that was delicious. But I have weird tastes, so I kind of interested to see how much this would normally cost because I only paid $2.65 for it. So I'm interested to see how much it would cost if you were to buy it online. Okay, I found the exact same soup on Amazon for $58.95 for, I think it's an 8-pack. Yeah. So let's do the math here. So it's roughly about $7.36 per bottle. Not too expensive. Pretty good though. I liked it. Okay, it's cooked in rock sugar, organic rock sugar. I don't know if there's jasmine in there, but I feel like I tasted jasmine, but it was delicious. And I will buy more next time I go back to that store. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.